Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey guys, welcome yet again to another vlog. It's on a Tuesday. I'm heading to the gym. Yesterday I did not go to the gym because it was just chaos. Plus the matatus had strike. Ataleos may strike, but I'm going to work. I'm going early so that I can be able to come back home early. And I'm wearing this cape because of the sun. I don't want to get sunburned. So let's go. I'll show you my outfit to Kyoko. Plus we have to create some content with my favorite girl. Yeah, it's been a while since the morning. We have to go. The limit. Hey loves, how are you? It's in the afternoon and this is when I want to make breakfast. I woke up, did some few things, did some editing. From mopping the house, now I want to prepare breakfast. I am super hungry. Yeah, plus after that, after breakfast, do some 1 2 3, then head to the salon and do cornrows, then we head to the gym. Yeah, so that's what's up. So let me quickly show you the ingredients, then we make. I once prepared this type of bread, but it was 2023 or 2024. Yeah, but I want to prepare it now again, as I also create some content. So yeah, let me show you, then we continue. Ingredients: I'm going to use milk, some of it I'm going to cook, egg, I'm just going to sprinkle on top. This is cinnamon plus white bread. I'm not going to use like all of it. Yeah,
this part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Flow, we X and we sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do. Speed another heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so.
let's taste. So I've put like everything together. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It tastes better than the first time I prepared it. I don't know if it's because I've added some other ingredients like bananas, oats and everything, but it tastes so good. This one I can highly recommend, but I feel like it's more for the weekend. If you're a person who doesn't like a lot of sugar, this one's not for you. But you can alternate. I think you can try with brown bread. Instead of banana, you try with something else, but I tried it with banana. and it tastes so good. I'll highly recommend. Let me go sit down, have my breakfast. I'm currently watching Perfect Match, the latest season, and I'm enjoying it. I think it's doing good episode 2, 3, because yesterday I slept at 1. Imagine, because of watching that reality. With reality shows, we are 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Hey loves, how are you? Today is a brand new day. It's on Thursday. Yeah, I'm going to do my nails. As you can see, they look horrible. I was supposed to do them last week, but remember last week there was strike. Yeah, so we're going to do them today. Hopefully I get to finish quickly and do 1, 2, 3, then we come back home. So let me quickly show you my outfit of the day, then we go.
Area in Ontario, Canada is one of the world's most unique freshwater research sites.
Hey guys, I'm done. So let me get home, then I have to pass by the supermarket first, get 1, 2, 3 guys the hang buy some few items, then I'll see you at home. Guys, I'm back home. I am tired, like nimechoka. I'm super tired. What I want to do right now, I want to take a shower because it's been hot outside. I want to take a shower, then come and bite something. Yeah, today I don't think I'll be going to the gym because it's already 5 and I don't have the energy. So this is how my nails look like. They look so good. Pretty. I tried a new place. Yeah, she has tried. So I'll also pass by the supermarket. Got bread. I want to make toast, and one thing, you can't bake toast with brown bread. I can't yeah. Got that. Mandazi, biscuit. I love this family biscuit. I always feel like it doesn't have a lot of sugar. I don't know when was the last time I ate this biscuit. Yeah. Oh, I also passed by my Mama Tide and I got this crunch tide. Hopefully it fits and does its job. As crunch tight or short doesn't do its job if the scrunch is not deep. It's only at the surface level. So hopefully it could be placebo. I'll have to return and exchange. Okay, hopefully it fits, man. Goes way. Yeah, that's it. Shower. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. I had forgotten. I went and did my cornrows the other day. Nikaenda gym. I forgot to vlog. It's been days now. But yeah, yesterday was Eid. Hey loves, how are you? Good morning. It's on Sunday. I am heading to church. I think I'll wear sunnies. Not sunnies, the clear glasses, because I haven't done anything on my face. No eyebrows, no nothing, no lashes. Yeah, so let me quickly show you my outfit of the day. Yani today, before like this time kwenda church, everything was just going left. I was like, I promised myself this Sunday I must go because of some 1, 2, 3. Yeah, plus I did not go to church the whole of last month, which is so bad. So after church, we're going to pass by the supermarket. If I don't even have the reason as to why I haven't been going to church. I don't have like a valid reason. I was just being lazy. So let's go. Outfit of the day. I'll be wearing sandals. My bag is there. I'm going to carry this bag. I have to remove this book because it does not fit here. I just carry it like that. So yeah, let's go. I'm at the supermarket. My hair looks like a mess. Jordan gonna find. But anyway, I've come to collect 1, 2, 3. Then go home. Yeah, I still have other stuff in the house, so I wanted to collect the main things. It's not on this line. Wait, guys, I'm back. I don't know why in your layout just looks like a mess. So let me quickly show you what I got from the supermarket. Yeah, just some few items. I need to charge this one. Pads. Paper towel. Cleaner. I don't know if I've tried this lemon one. I always use the normal one and it always smells nice. So I decided let me try the lemon one because I'm pretty sure anything with lemon smells nice. So soft. My baby's food. Come on. So come on. My church book. Kwanza nini? Hizi ni makucha za nani? They have been scratching my book. Let's look. You two babies. Cooking oil. I didn't know Carrefour has their own cooking oil. They also have their own milk. This is their noodles. Tea. Coffee. This is the milk that I'm talking about. I didn't know they have like their own long life milk. Yep. So let's try that. Oh, I got 2 glass soda. I'm also from buying another soda because I'd forgotten. I thought in my head I thought that I bought vodka. I'm a gym, so with that you know you have to use Sprite. So I had to go outside and buy again. And buy Coke. So I got this sparkling wine. I don't know if this is the same wine I drank when I was in Malindi. It was so nice. I loved it. I wouldn't end up on that vlog. Then I say codes. Yeah, so got this one. And this Omen whiskey. I love this whiskey. It tastes tastes nice, but it's okay. Yeah, it's a good one. I don't know, I feel so guilty. I'm coming from church and then I went and bought alcohol. It feels weird for me, but anyway, so let me quickly arrange this, then have breakfast. It's 1:10. Yeah, it's 1:10. Yeah, so I have to charge this one too. I left the house when there was no electricity, so let me do that. Wash this Tutu and Bookie's plate. Put for them these cereals. Yeah, I'll see you guys maybe later. Maybe if you're doing something exciting. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, I have to watch Love Island. It started on Monday. Yeah, I have like 6 episodes that I have to watch, so I'm going to watch them today. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Yeah, see you then. Guys, good morning. I want to make a breakfast. Is this breakfast recipe I saw on Instagram and I want to try it out, plus make some ginger shots. Yeah, but that one you've seen the process, just same old thing. So yeah, let's do that. I'll be using oats, banana, and syrup. I don't know, I think he used honey if I'm not wrong, but I think I'll just use syrup and some toppings. Yeah, I'll show you the process. Let me prepare everything, then we start.
We getting fucked tonight. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight. She 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 getting fucked tonight. Stop calling her phone. She getting fucked tonight. Blowing down that line. catch up from behind, niggas know I'm a sniper. Second when I drive, baby, know what I like. Spread that pussy wide, let me go for a dive. Who getting fucked tonight? You getting fucked tonight. Make it wetter than night. I pay whatever the price. I knock her down, I'm a strike. I wanna feel it inside. Get with me, it's enticing. Your pussy is my vice. I see you, we gon' fight. You getting fucked tonight. Who getting fucked tonight?
The ginger shots. I've come to realize this vlog is long, not like long. I've taken my time to shoot it because I think this is the third week Wednesday post, because I remember when I made breakfast, the one that you have seen, the footage that you have seen before, like with the bread and oats. I can't even remember. Anyway, let's try this. So I added some toppings, juicy toppings in it, but I've seen them on cakes. And this other one, I don't know if it's cashew nut or something nuts there, because it doesn't even have taste. Yeah, it doesn't taste well. I wish I would have bought there's this type of nuts. Is it? I don't see any almond nuts. I'm not sure. Like I'm really not sure. Because this type of nuts always buy in a longer term, but this round but anyway, let's taste. So let me go sit, eat this. I'm already done preparing the juices, not the ginger shots. So let me sit, eat, then do some 1, 2, 3. I might see you guys later. Yeah.
True, you could make me melt, but don't